If you want to add a Voiceflow chatbot to your Framer website quickly and easily, this tutorial will walk you through the exact process from start to finish. By the end, you'll have your chatbot live on your site and visible in the bottom right corner for visitors to use. This is a great way to add support, automate conversations, and make your website feel much more interactive. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple web and no-code tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, go to Voiceflow and open the chatbot project you want to embed. Once your project is open, click Publish. This step is important because it makes sure your bot is ready to be used outside of Voiceflow. After that, look at the left menu and click Widgets. This is where Voiceflow gives you the embed code for your chatbot. Now copy the code shown on the screen. Make sure you copy the full code so everything works properly when you paste it into Framer. Once you have the code, go back to Framer and open the project where you want the chatbot to appear. Inside your Framer project, click Settings. This is where you can manage site-wide options and custom code. From the left menu, choose Custom Code. This section allows you to add scripts and third-party widgets directly to your website. Now paste the Voiceflow code into the appropriate custom code area. If Framer gives you separate fields for header or body code, place the code in the recommended section based on Voiceflow's instructions. After pasting the code, save your changes and publish your site. Publishing is what pushes the chatbot live on your actual domain, so don't skip that step. Once the site is published, open your domain in a new tab and refresh the page if needed. You should now see the Voiceflow chat widget appear in the bottom right corner of the site. That means the integration worked successfully. Click on the widget to test it and make sure the chatbot opens correctly. Try sending a message so you can confirm the bot is responding the way you expect. If anything doesn't appear right away, double check that the code was copied completely, that it was pasted into the correct custom code section, and that the site was published after the changes. Those 3 steps solve most issues very quickly. And that's it. You've now added a Voiceflow chatbot to Framer in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more no-code tutorials like this one.